Meaning of full on.
Full on.
Full on.
Full on.
Full on. The phrase full on is typically used to describe an intense, all-out effort or experience. It can be applied to a variety of situations, from describing someone's level of engagement in an activity to characterizing a particular style or approach. The term suggests a high level of energy, commitment, and thoroughness, something that is done with great enthusiasm or intensity. Results from a full-on effort can vary depending on the context, but they are generally characterized by a sense of completion, satisfaction, and accomplishment.